humor as your therapy. Now don't go take life too seriously. Just you do you, 'cause you do you so perfectly. Oh
Wow, well done. Anya, what did you think of the performance?
How the hell are you 15? How? As soon as you started singing, I shot my eyes over to Kelly. You give me goosebumps as soon as you opened your mouth. I was like, what? How did that voice come out of someone so small? I'm literally speechless. I wrote barely anything down, but the thing I wrote down is you were a star. Wow, I am in shock. I'm so glad you would be in my category. So happy. Absolutely phenomenal. Well done.
thank you.
Kelly, what did you think?
Oh, I think you've got an absolutely amazing voice, and you controlled it so well. I mean, your breath control to be able to sing like you just sang and perform it the way that you did, and you just ooze attitude and confidence. I love it. I love your stage presence. That was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well done.
I was not expecting that. I mean, this is a huge song for anyone to sing, regardless to the age. And for you to come out and do what you just did with that, the confidence, the guts, the passion, the drive and determination to smash that stage into pieces was incredible, especially from somebody so young. I'm loving the image. I think the name sounds like a star. You sound like a star. I mean, I still got to get used to saying it, but you sound like a star. It sounds like a star's name. Absolutely incredible. And I really do think, like, if you're successful throughout this process, I really do think you're going to be that one that everyone on and offline gets really excited about watching, because you've got that presentation about you, the way you come across on stage. And I can just see people saying, what's she going to do this? What's she going to do this week? What's she going to do this week? That's what you could create. You're amazing. I'm absolutely honoured to have you on that stage. You smashed that. Well done. Well done. Round of applause, please, guys.